Welcome to my channel. My name is Jordy if you don't know me, and today, again, I had a whole bunch of new products to try. Everything was amazing. One of the things I tried and reviewed was the Get Frecked Freckle product. Exciting, I know. So you'll have to watch to see what I think about it. Before we start, the wig is from YesStyle. This cool blouse with these straps is also from YesStyle. I'll link both below. I think that's all I have to tell you. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, turn on the little bell. It really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. If you want to see how I got this cutesy look, then keep watching. We are trying even more new stuff today. I'm really excited about this. It's an Illuminating Primer by Smashbox. This is in collaboration with Vlada. And it says that it's packed with shea butter and hyaluronic acid and gives you an instant rose gold glow. Let's see. It's a photo finish primer and I do like the original photo finish primer. It looks like this. It has quite a bit of pigment. I'm a little bit nervous. It's really dark. It's a primer, so you're meant to cover it with foundation. But it feels nice, it smells good. I'm gonna use my cushion foundation from McQueen from YesStyle. This isn't super full coverage, so hopefully we can cover this weird primer. I think it's gonna look okay. I just have not been feeling full coverage heavy foundation. Maybe because it's summer and it's warm. Just trying to be comfortable. I do still like full coverage concealer, and I think that that pairs better with a less full coverage foundation, because then you don't have too much going on. I've got a bit of a breakout happening on my forehead, which is not my usual breakout spot. This foundation is really dewy on its own, but I've definitely got some really nice shine from that primer. Next, I'm gonna go in with my new favorite concealer. This is from YesStyle also. This is Bare Som Dual Concealer. Unfortunately, this is the only shade it comes in, which sucks. I'm gonna start with the concealer side. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. And then I'm gonna use the brightening side to brighten under my eyes and highlight. And then to contour, I'm going to use my Milk Matte Bronzing Stick. And I'm actually gonna pick it up with my beauty blender just to keep it super chill. Oh, it's nice, right? You can add a little bit more if you want more drama. I get so sussed out when my lips are covered in foundation. I look dead. Then going in with the Pro 1M. Add a little definition to my nose. Before I set my face with powder, I want to try the Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal Summer Drops. This is called Gold Glitz, and you can put it on top of lipstick, and it says on the packaging to try it on your cheeks too, so I'm gonna try it on my cheeks too. It looks stunning. It's in a little dropper. Oh, it's so pretty. It's glittery, but it's like really fine. I guess it's more like shimmery. It's really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder and my Beauty Blender to set my under eyes and do a little bit of baking. I'm gonna try and avoid this area with too much powder. I want it to be set, but I want to keep the dewy shine. I am going to powder over my glowy nose because my nose gets oily. So I need that powder. I'm not gonna set my eyelids with powder because I want my eyeshadow to be really pigmented, so I'm gonna leave it sticky so that the eyeshadow sticks. I'm gonna wear this hair today, so I'm going to mix a brow product to kind of match this. Not exactly, because I think if I match this, my brows would just blend into my skin tone, but we are going to make a peachy brow color. I'm gonna mix the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow in Whiteout, Daffodil, and Magenta, using the Kat Von D number 70 brush. And then we're gonna mix them together. I'm gonna mix these two together first, just to see how much whiteout we'll need. This brush feels incredible. The color is exactly what I wanted. These pomades are so easy to work with. Amazing. I love it. Before I move on to the eyes, I'm gonna dust off all this powder. But now that I think of it, I'm going to put on a new layer, extra thick, under my eyes to catch any fallout. I look excellent. I'm gonna play with the Kat Von D Divine palette again today because I haven't really done a whole lot with it. Starting with Waters and the Pro 8E. I'm gonna start to pack this just above the crease. Get quite high in the inner corner. And we're just packing it in right now. We're not worrying about blending, just laying down some color. And I'm doing it in a shape where it's higher on the inner corner and then slopes down. Now going in with the Pro 3M. With nothing on it, just to blur those edges. And then I'm gonna go into Baltimore. And I'm gonna pack that on the inner corner. And I'm gonna keep it focused on the inner corner and just like fading out into the outer. Just blend those together a little bit. And then I'm gonna pick up some Hard Magic, the black, and I'm gonna press it right on the inner corner. Just a little bit, and then blend it into that blue. So we've got kind of a cool gradient. Next, I'm going to cut the crease with some concealer. You probably guessed it. I feel like it's been a while, okay? I'm gonna use the Pro 1L, which is a lip brush, but I love it for cutting the crease. And I'm just gonna follow this shape. I'm gonna bring it up higher in the inner corner and then down. Making sure to look straight ahead of my mirror so that it looks okay when my eye is relaxed. Sometimes it looks amazing when you're looking in the mirror with your eye kind of stretched, and then you relax your eye and you can't even see it. You don't want to work on perfecting the edges and the crease and then have to completely change the shape. I'm gonna go in with Female Trouble. And carefully set this concealer. This isn't the final color. I just don't want it slipping and sliding around. On top of this cut crease action, I'm gonna use this ColourPop single shadow called Two to Mango, which seems like a really weird name for a purple shadow. Using the Pro 3M to pack it on there. This is a beautiful shadow. I love it. I wanted to use purple and then I almost didn't. Thought maybe it was too much color going on. Too much for who? Not me. This next step you can skip. It is just a lot more work. I'm gonna clean up the blue part It doesn't look bad as it is. You could definitely just carry on with this, but I just want to clean it up a little bit. In the Vlada Smashbox collection, there is this really pretty shimmery rose gold liner. I'm not sure how pigmented it is, but I think that if we added this to the crease, it would kind of tie in the brow to the eye look, so we'll see. It's showing up pretty damn good. I think 2 coats and it'll be incredible. It's so pretty. I'm gonna add a wing now, and I think I'm gonna go back to blue, and I'm gonna try the 24-hour Super Brow in Satellite Blue as liner. I'm just gonna start with the wing. I'm going to dust away this powder to reveal a still flawless under eye. Amazing. I'm gonna go back into the light blue, and I'm gonna add it to the outer corner, kind of below my lash line. And then into the darker blue. And a tiny bit of black. On the outer corner. And then going in with the same purple on the Pro 6M, I'm gonna pack this into the lash line. And then back in with the rose gold liner. Just gonna add a little bit to the bottom. For lashes, I'm gonna use Rouge and Rogue Nirvana lashes. They're kind of wispy and fluffy, and I think you'll still be able to see the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna let that glue dry before I add mascara, so in the meantime, I'm going to finish my face. Look at my hand, what a mess. To highlight, I'm gonna use a Ghost Light Blush Light from Melt, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna use the Pro 5F. It's like a light golden, it's like a pale girl friendly gold. For a brow highlight in an inner corner, I'm going to use a Shadow Play Blush Light, which is kind of a blue highlighter. Oh, wow. I did not expect that. Ooh. For blush, I'm gonna use Cali Dream because it's peachy on the Pro 2F. Every time I use a new blush, it becomes my new favorite. I have a problem. Definitely gonna go really blushy with this. And I'm gonna bring it onto my nose. Just on the tip and across the top. Now I'm gonna put on some of my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. For the lips, I'm gonna use Tar Pit by Smashbox because I'm wearing a black shirt and I'm kind of obsessed with like tying everything together. I'm gonna put my wig on now. I'm not done though. I have a really exciting product. A few of you have asked me to try it and I am finally going to try it, so don't go anywhere. For today's freckles, we are going to use the Get Frecked product. It's this little tiny vial and it's got a little tiny brush. So you just dot it on. And then use your finger to lighten them and pat them into your skin. I like the applicator. The formula is really, really thin. So if you tap them too much, they do just kind of tap away. I'm gonna give those a second to dry before I tap them with my finger. That's better. If you just leave them for a sec before you tap them, it seems to work better and make a darker freckle. When you first put it on, it's almost like an orangey color, but then as they dry and you tap them away, it does turn to a nice shade of brown. I think they're gonna stay put really well, like they're not moving. It's good, I think I like it. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I am done. I feel super cute. I hope you guys like this look. Please tag me at itslikelymakeup if you recreate it. It could be in any color. This look is very versatile. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video.